Ano yung price mo? Please open up your package and reveal your price. Come on, George! What is that? Oh my God, Dior! Pero ang laman ay English blazer. Commando deodorant. Kaya pala sinabing Dior kasi deodorant spray. Eh di wow! Congratulations! So meron pang isa. Dove para kay Mrs. Para both kayo smell good. Smell good. Yun lang masabi ko. Smell good. About for the next winner, kitchen package. Mami, anong laman ng package mo? Reveal now. Gato puti. Perfect! Gato puti at ano pa? Meron tayong suka. Another one. Magic sarap. Pampasarap ng luto. Ng pansit. Ng adobo. Kung ano-ano pa. Congratulations. Deserve mo yan. Ate, si siya daw muna. Siya daw muna. Okay, Wendell. I-reveal mo na yung price mo. That is a whitening package. Open up the package. Reveal na yan. Ano? Clorox! Perfect! Pampuputi ng mga clothes, ng mga uniform. Another one, meron pa. Ariel! Perfect na perfect! May panda pa ka na pang isang linggo. Good job! Congratulations! Next winner. Hi, sir. What's your good name? You've got what you've got? Show to us what is that package all about inside. Oh my God! Perfect for birthday. Talagang sinira na, no? Can you show us, sir, what is that for? Meron kang spaghetti or the Italian or Filipino style Del Monte tomato sauce together with pasta. I-reveal mo na yan, sir. Congratulations! Meron din tayo dito yung isa, pang spaghetti pasta. Show mo na yan, sir.
From KFC po. Pasta.
Oh, yun na nga. Show mo yan, sir. Congratulations! Pang birthday package, deserve mo yan. Congratulations! Thank you so much. Sino na? PC Collection! Anong naiisip mo pag PC Collection?
Yes.
USB lang? Ano pa? Mouse. Tama kayo yung hula mo. Reveal na yan. PC Pansit Canton, shorter. PC Pansit Canton. Anong gagawin niya ni Sir Norwell? Mag-PPC, magpapansit? Ayun na nga. Perfect. Good job. Gawin niyo yan mamaya mag-PC kayo. Next, Danica. What you got? Can you show us? What is your package all about? Reveal na yan. We have fitness package. Reveal na yan. Fitness package. Para may script tayo dito. Para saan yan? Another one. What you got? Meron din tayong gloves. Kitchen gloves. Meron din pang hilo.